we are pleased to show you the 2010 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, CD changer, backup camera, traction control, 4-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.